Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making shorts out of this oversized hoodie that I did get from Walmart. It was only $12. I did see a lot of YouTubers do this and I wanted to try it out and test my sewing skills because this oversized hoodie is a no-no, okay? So before I do get into the video, I will be showing you guys what you will need to do this DIY project. The first thing I am using is my cutting mat, a ruler, a rotary cutter or scissors if you don't have a rotary cutter, my pins, you will need pins, a seam ripper, some chalk or an invisible marker or washable marker, some elastic, and a safety pin. And of course your sewing machines and another pair of shorts that you will use to do this. All right, so let's get into it. The first thing I am going to do is mark where I will want my shorts to start. And I am basically just using the chalk to mark a line across. Alrighty, so now that we did cut, excuse me, now that we did mark it, it is time to cut a straight line. I'm using my ruler just to ensure that I am cutting a straight line because you know your girl got shaky hands. All right, so the next thing you will want to do is seam rip the bottom hem of the hoodie so that you can use that for your waistband later on. And this may take a long time. It depends on your seam ripping skills. I personally do not enjoy seam ripping. That is my least favorite thing to do, but it is very necessary. So yeah, just make sure you are doing that and make sure you are actually cutting a thread and not putting holes in your fabric. All right, guys, so now that we got our waistband, we just want to put that aside. So now it is time to actually get into the shorts. You just want to, like I said earlier, you will need another pair of shorts to pair this with so that you can use them to create the measurements for these patterns. So you just want to cut out your pattern. The fabric is folded, so it will cut out two pieces. And you just want to make sure you do cut all the way around. All right, so now that you did the first two pieces, you want to flip it over so that you can cut out the second two pieces of your shorts. And when you do finish that, in total, you should have four pieces. All right, so now it is time to pin. I did pin the top piece first and I'm going to sew that. I'm not attaching these together, by the way. These are two pieces that is going to be sewn separately. I'm using stitch number 16 on my brother machine. As you can see, I am going to stitch number 16. And let's get into the sewing. I did run out of thread in my bobbin, so y'all check y'all bobbin. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I was not able to get the footage of me sewing the rest of the shorts or sewing my pockets. If you want an in-depth video of how to sew pockets, then comment below. But yeah, it's time to attach the pockets and attach the waistband. So now that the pockets and the waistband is attached, we have it. As you can see, it is time for us to put in our elastic to our waistband so that our shorts can fit us. And the way that I am doing that is by attaching a safety pin to the end of the elastic. And I did leave it an opening to the waistband so that I can have somewhere to insert the safety pin. And I'm going to insert that into the waistband and pull it all the way through. And this is how the shorts came out. To be honest, y'all, I didn't want to hem it because I like the unhem look. They're pretty cute until you put them on me. To be honest, they too small, my butt too big, they not high enough. If somebody else were to wear them, I'm pretty sure they would look way better on them. And then also if they wanted them hemmed, then of course I will hem them. But for me personally, I really not too fond of the look. But let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye.